Have you ever wondered what it feels like to have a gaming keyboard that not only responds instantly, but also feels like an extension of your hands? Today, we're exploring a keyboard designed for enthusiasts who demand precision, comfort, and long-term performance. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, the channel where we cut through the noise to give you detailed, honest insights into premium tech. The product we're focusing on today is the ASUS ROG Azoth wireless mechanical gaming keyboard, a 75% TKL marvel built for gamers, content creators, and productivity professionals alike. Before we dive in, the purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. This ensures you can confidently explore availability and pricing after watching the review. Now, let's break down why this keyboard is becoming a reference point for high-end mechanical keyboards. Reason number 1. Tri-mode connectivity for seamless multi-device use. The ASUS ROG Azoth excels in versatility thanks to its tri-mode connectivity. You can connect to 3 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth, switch to ultra-low latency 2.4 GHz RF for gaming, or simply use a wired USB connection. This flexibility allows you to transition between your gaming rig, work laptop, or even a Mac without missing a beat. For anyone juggling multiple setups, this is a level of convenience rarely offered in a premium keyboard. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this feature makes multi-device management effortless. Reason number 2. Hot-swappable, pre-lubricated ROG NX switches. Customization is at the heart of the Azoth experience. With hot-swappable, pre-lubricated ROG NX Storm clicky switches and optional ROG NX Snow linear switches, you can tailor tactile feedback to your preferences. The pre-lubrication ensures buttery-smooth keypresses right out of the box, enhancing both gaming precision and typing comfort. These switches offer durability and responsiveness, making the Azoth a keyboard that grows with your needs, whether you're a competitive gamer or a mechanical keyboard enthusiast. Reason number 3. Gasket mount and premium sound tuning. Unlike traditional mechanical keyboards, the Azoth employs a silicone gasket mount combined with 3 layers of integrated dampening foam. This thoughtful design absorbs vibrations, eliminates pinging, and produces a consistent, flex-free typing experience. The result is a refined sound signature that balances satisfying tactility with quiet operation. For long gaming sessions or professional streaming, this adds a subtle but significant layer of quality that enhances user experience. Reason number 4. OLED display and multifunctional control. The integrated 2-inch OLED screen provides real-time monitoring of system stats, media playback, and keyboard settings. Alongside this, the multifunction control knob allows for intuitive adjustment of volume, lighting, and other preferences without interrupting your workflow. This combination of visibility and tactile control reinforces the keyboard's position as a productivity and gaming hub, giving users immediate feedback and actionable control over their environment. Reason number 5. Compact 75% TKL layout without sacrificing functionality. The 75% TKL layout is designed to optimize desk space while keeping all essential keys within reach. It maintains arrow keys and function layers, offering both gaming precision and productivity efficiency. Whether you're typing long documents, editing video, or coordinating in an MMO raid, this layout keeps everything accessible and reduces unnecessary hand movement. Its compact form factor also makes it travel-friendly for LAN parties or remote work setups. Reason number 6. Comprehensive customization kit for modders. ASUS includes a professional-grade customization kit featuring Krytox GPL 205 GD0 lubricant, a switch opener, keycap and switch pullers, lube station, brush, stabilizer mats, and additional ROG NX switches. This provides both beginners and experienced modders everything needed to explore advanced keyboard tuning and personalization. Owning the Azoth is not just about using a keyboard. It's about cultivating a highly tailored input experience over time, making it a long-term investment in your desktop setup. Reason number 7. Robust build quality and Mac/PC compatibility. The Azoth combines durability with cross-platform versatility. Premium PBT doubleshot keycaps resist shine and wear, while the sturdy construction supports long-term usage without flex or compromise. Mac users are accommodated seamlessly, with simple toggles between Windows and macOS layouts. Paired with its extensive accessory kit and reliable wireless options, this keyboard offers both performance and longevity that few competitors can match. Final verdict: the ASUS ROG Azoth wireless mechanical keyboard is a sophisticated, high-performance device built for those who value control, customization, and premium design. While it comes with a higher investment than standard keyboards, the combination of tri-mode connectivity, pre-lubed hot-swappable switches, premium tactile design, and OLED monitoring ensures it delivers on every promise. It's ideal for gamers who demand responsiveness, productivity professionals who need compact efficiency, and enthusiasts who appreciate modding flexibility. If you value precision, versatility, and long-term investment in your workspace or gaming station, this keyboard stands out as a thoughtful, professional choice. Consider your setup, but for those seeking a keyboard that blends performance, aesthetics, and customization, the ASUS ROG Azoth is a compelling option. When you're ready to explore more details or secure one for your setup, the purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Take your time, review the specs, and make a confident choice that enhances both your work and play environments.